So, hey guys, Curtis here, Air Tramp Loves. Just a short video of one of my sweet little Kittel pairs here. These Bulck Birds. Just out of the nest, starting to eat. I have, I think, 1 or 2 litters from their parents before. All the birds are really nice. I could possibly have this pair for sale, or maybe not, I'm not sure. I know I have 35 birds flying, and I know I have siblings of theirs up in the air already. Perhaps 4, at least 2. And so these are Bulck Kittel birds, the Kittel line. And give me a shout if you're interested. I don't know if I want to sell them yet, but you might be able to convince me. Okay. That little red check is, you know, sweet. Not that the pied is not too, but I bred so many pieds this year. I don't know where they're coming from, but this is a really gorgeous little pair. This is Bulck Kittel birds. Okay. Thanks for watching this video. Hope you enjoyed it. Hope you enjoyed looking at these little babies right here. I had no plans of doing this video, but they're the right age now where they look pretty decent and they wouldn't try to fly out the box. And so I thought I'd do this video. My name is Curtis with Air Tramp Loves. This is a Bulck Kittel pair that I may be convinced of selling if you know, at the right time. Right now I'm thinking about flying them in the air, you know, so I want to fly everything. That's my problem. Alright, I think here the red check seems to be the cock. The blue check pie seems to be the hen. Thanks again for watching. I appreciate you guys. Thanks for following my journey. I'm here to help and to share and to love. That's it. That's my mission. Okay? Again, bye-bye.